Damn, it's freaking hot. It's 95 right now. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs and welcome back to another video. All right, so today we're gonna head over to Dave's auto shop. Shout out to the homie Anthony Cruz. Gonna be installing an HD hood on my truck, and that's it for this video. So let's head out to the shop and get this HD hood on, and that'll be another progress for the, what's it called, the Denali front end and everything, and how the truck's gonna be looking. So let's go, guys. Coming along with us is Frankie. Oh, this ain't bad. Oh. Let's go put some air in the tire. I don't know why it's getting so low. Oh! Ain't even that bad. You gotta have the monster. This just got so many freaking projects out here. Look at that. Even the minivan with the freaking LS4 in it. Gonna get an HD hood on it. All right, so this one's for you guys. It's not a beer, but it does the same effect. This one's good. All right, so the hood he got was off of a 2500 HD Silverado, hence why it's called an HD hood. So we're gonna be getting rid of this 2000 GMC Sierra stock hood finally, and getting a nice hood on this truck, give it a different look. And then I have some headlights on the way, some LED headlights with the daytime running light, LED bar and all that. Then I gotta install the front end, and then get every other little piece that the truck is missing, like the Denali cluster that goes up to 120, because that's what my truck goes up to now, and then the new side mirrors, and then the truck will be ready for a paint job. So let's finish this up right now and continue later. One of Cruz's many projects. Got the Porsche here. Wide body Mini Coupe.
Who's gonna know? It's not like It's not like people are watching us right now, right?
Nobody knows what we're doing.
Huh? Right there, G.
For your Honda.
Terrible. Dude, I think you should just do like a giveaway. Give away this. Yeah, grab it. Do a giveaway with this hood, bro.
Alright guys, I lied. Today we're putting in a K&N filter. It fits?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll fit your car. I'll sell it to you right now, bro. 300.
How much? What the fuck?
That's how much they cost.
I can get a fucking brand new one.
But it's not K&N.
Yes, it is.
But it doesn't have chrome in the front right here.
Yes, it will. I can even choose the color I want. I'll give you 150.
Alright. Alright guys, let me show you the new hood.
Blur out my hand while you're at it too.
Your hand too?
Yeah,
your whole
might
body,
as well.
just black it out?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll change the color
Wait,
of your skin.
Can we
I'll make it green.
Can we say that on YouTube?
What?
Change the color of my skin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Just making
Change the
sure.
color of your skin. Damn.
Yeah, we're going. Might as well just strip the fucking bolt pattern on this thing too, right?
Yeah, let's just strip the bolt pattern. So it could fit, because if this one's not stripped, then
Hey,
how's it gonna fit?
It's not gonna fit perfectly, right? All right, so let's put this one on. Bro, what the fuck? No, it's gonna have to go.
You have a Silverado front end?
I have a whole front
2000,
clip.
no, 2000,
07.
I'm trying to
2008.
get an older Silverado with a front end like that.
Oh yeah, see I have a front end. I have both fenders,
Both fenders.
the front, on the side, everywhere.
Cool off the supercharger.
Shit.
Good for the turbo.
This
I know I don't fit.
What?
This is a Yeah, I can post that hood for you if you want to sell it though.
Well, shit, I don't know. I guess, huh?
Alright, so if this hood don't fit, I'm gonna sell my truck. And if it does fit, then I'm not selling my truck. To the junkyard.
Well, I'm not a really big fan of black cars.
I like
black cars.
Oh yeah, this is good.
That's a little long, huh? But
No, it's perfect. This, like I said, this is where you gotta cut. Or the, what's it called?
I didn't even see it was that fucked up.
It's not that bad.
You know what? The gap just kind of throws me off.
Fuck.
I like it.
I think this one's
This
good.
is a fucking project truck.
Yeah,
I like this one.
Like it when I said I liked it.
Oh yeah, bro. Honestly.
Let's go right here.
What the? From AutoZone? Hell yeah.
What the fuck? Cardboard.
Oh, you're right.
So we don't have to fuck up the hood. Let's just cut your lights, bro.
Oh, you're right.
Just kind of like that.
It looked mad like, oh no, it looks sad. It'll be the first sad truck. Because you know how mad truck, their eyes are like this, but sad truck's like that.
Guys at the truck to me be like, hold on, G, let me clean my truck. Chill, fool, I just picked this up on offer up, dog. I got it real cheap.
So there's a problem right here, guys. This side fits good, but then this side's a problem. And they fucking left the hot Cheeto. Alright, so Cruz told me that he has a few M3 front ends, bumpers here at the shop. So if you guys want any, hit up Dave's Auto Shop on Instagram. He's also got that first hood that didn't fit from a 2500 HD 2006 Silverado. If you guys want an HD hood and it'll fit on your truck, here it is, Dave's Auto Shop. What else? Nothing else, just hit him up and stay tuned for the progress of the truck. See how everything turns out. Okay, so we finally got the HD hood on. Looks good. All right, so the other shop, when I crashed the truck, really messed up my truck. They didn't put everything back together good. Everything's pretty much unaligned when you try to add more stuff to it or anything like that. So all the guys over at Dave's Auto Shop, they're gonna hook up my truck and put everything aligned and everything how it's supposed to be, the right way. So I'll bring the truck back next week with the whole front end on, and we're gonna install this HD hood and get everything cut and everything. So once that time comes and that video is posted, you guys are gonna see everything that the truck is gonna need for it to be back to where it's supposed to be, in good shape and everything. So until then, alright guys, so the reason we weren't able to do the HD hood yesterday at the shop was because of, okay, this truck, I was in an accident with this truck back in my last year of high school, so the whole front end was messed up. So the shop that the insurance took it to did a terrible job. They swapped out the front end. I believe they did both fenders and the hood, and that's all they did. The frame that supports the radiator and the compressor and all that stuff right there in the front is bent. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll see if I could add a clip, and if not, then the frame's supposed to be straight, but it's like kind of curved. So they didn't really align anything. Like you guys saw, the HD hood, there's a big ass gap on the driver's side and a little bit overlapped on the passenger side. So this front end is gonna need a lot of love, and Dave's Auto Shop is the place that's gonna do it. I appreciate you guys. I know you guys are gonna do an amazing job to the truck. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take the truck over to the shop next week, and I'm gonna be there with them as they work on it. I'm gonna be filming them and keeping you guys updated with the truck and everything that's has to be tampered with in order to have the truck's front end aligned perfectly and everything. By then I'll have the front end in, because I believe my headlights will be coming in pretty soon, and I'll be doing a video on that as well, and putting the whole front end in already and everything also. So the truck is gonna be on point, thanks to Dave's Auto Shop and Cruz for working on the truck. Yeah, so that's the reason why the truck is unaligned and everything's all bad, is because of that body shop and the terrible job they did. But Dave's Auto Shop's gonna fix that, and I'm more than excited to be working with them. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe if you're not, leave a comment, and more stuff coming soon. We got the HD hood, the front end, and some headlights coming in. Then later on, get some LED tail lights, and that's the paint job, obviously. And that should be it for exterior for a bit. We'll be back to performance in no time. Peace out, everybody. It's your boy Chubbs, TCB.